Hello, hello everybody, Kyung here, and we're here with an everything envelopes today. Woohoo! I have three of these. These are like the Mead, just standard. I got these at the Dollar Tree. Let's see, what size are they? They are 9.5 by 4, right? They're like 9.5 by 4. And so I have 3 of them, and I'm thinking what I'm going to do is, and I can't believe I haven't done this with these, is I'm going to make a mini file binder. Yes, a mini file binder. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue down all my flaps. They're going to get glued down, each one of them, all 3. And then this should be fairly easy and quick. I've made one of these before, but I don't know if I used envelopes. I think I used just regular paper, and I don't know. I don't know. It was a very long time ago. It was one of my first videos. I made a little file, little binder file. It's like a file folder binder thing. Okay, I'm just going to fold these in half all together. Ta-da! Like that. All 4. So we essentially have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it'll be 6 pockets in all. It'll be like an ephemera holder, right? And then I'm going to cut it off from about here, right? So maybe an inch or 2. And I think for this, I'm going to use my guillotine, because then I can just do it instead of 1 by 1. We can just maybe try to do it all at one time. Of course, the better way to do it would be to take your time and do each one at a time, but I don't want to do that. That's no fun. Okay, so yes, I'm just going to cut off maybe an inch or 2. So I've got the next door neighbors are redoing their roof. Everyone's redoing their roof because we had the giant baseball-sized hail that came through and a couple of months ago. So everyone's been doing their roof. And so the next door neighbors are doing the roof, and my dog is not happy about it. Okay, so, okay, and we're back, and we're good, and my whole everything fell over. But we're okay. Okay, so let's see. We're at like 4.5 and 5. Let's see, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so right here, I'm thinking just 1 inch, right? Just off both sides. Oh, this is why you don't try to cut such a thick layer. Okay, we've got this. This will go. Okay. We're doing all the things wrong today. It's just a mess. Okay. I'm gonna we're gonna trim this little bit. Good deal. So essentially we have these. They open like this. Ta-da! Yay! And so now all we have to do is go through and glue each one of them. So I'm going to leave, right, we're only going to glue the middle. I'm going to leave the edges so that it has room to open and close. Let's glue that one. Press it. Cute little ephemera holder or something. It looks like it might even be thin enough, it might even go into a journal. This middle one, I will see. If not, still, it makes a great little ephemera holder for fussy cuts or things like that. Okay, so all of our envelopes are glued together, and what we're left with is basically this little accordion file folder. See? Looks like our glue got, when we glued the flaps. There we go. Ta-da! Easy peasy. Now for the, for like the cover, I'm going to use one of these because these are like the Tim Holtz backdrops or whatever. See, there's that one. There's this one is kind of cool with the, it's a little much, huh? It's very loud. These ones with the pink. I like this one. Let's use this one. We have that one. Seems like an envelope. I like the blue, but that has a photo. Just double checking. Giant ticket, huh? Yeah, these are like a Tim Holtz backdrops pages. Ooh, you know what? I really like this map. Let's do this one. Liverpool. Okay. Lovely. So I'm gonna fold it like that. We'll have the pink on the inside. And our first fold, I'm gonna kind of line it up with our envelope. So like that. And then I think, right, so I think I will fold it in one more time, just give it a little bit of a, of like a spine, right? So I'll have two folds so that it's like this, right? Nice, very nice. Okay, that'll give us more room. I want to cut it a little bit over the edge of my envelope, of the width of our envelopes. So, cut it here. All right. I hope it rains. They keep saying it's going to rain, but I don't know. Oh, okay. I found my mark. It started barely and then it stopped, so I don't know. We will see. It at least cooled off a little bit. I don't... Okay, we're going to just do it. It's fine. And then I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to fold it in. I'm going to give myself a little bit of room. I'm not going to fold it right on the... See, I gave it, I don't know, maybe 1/4 of an inch space. Right? Yes, okay, that will be fine. That will be fine. Ooh, you know what? I have a little Velcro piece we can use. Okay, let's ink this up. Let's use my walnut. We have Timothy Stitch here, who's going to help us today. Mr. Timothy Stitch. He was so excited that we were going to do an envelope today that he insisted on joining us. So he's very welcome to help. All right, get this side. Might as well do the back. Okay, lovely. And our Liverpool is upside down, but what can you do? You know, what can you do? All right, this is going to get glued. I'm going to find my first fold. Okay, and I'm going to glue it. Not right on the fold, but I'm going to leave a little tiny bit of room. There, that should be good. Just glue the whole thing on there, and then I'm going to glue the whole front on there as well. Just the whole thing. Like that. Yay, and then it opens like this. Cool, and now I just need, let's see if I can find a little, one of my little Velcros. Ooh, look at that, I'm lucky, I have one left. My little Velcro dots. So these come in handy, they're great. So, and I'm going to use a little bit of Fabri-Tac just to give it some extra hold. Okay, and we'll put it here. That kind of looks like the middle to me. Let's press it. Okay, and then I'm going to put the little bit of glue, just a little bit, because I don't want it to squeege out too much. I'm going to barely put it on top of this one, like that. And then I'm going to fold this one down and let it meet. Okay, and then we're going to let it dry for a minute. Press it down pretty good, and then let it dry. That way it doesn't move around too much and we don't pull it off, right? Yay! In the meantime, we can decorate it. I have, let's see, I have this pretty lace. I did put the whole thing upside down, huh? I should have done it the other way. I can't believe I did that. This one's pretty up here. We have a piece of string. What else do we have? I have like little bits of, I don't like that. Let's put a label on it, huh? When in doubt, put a label. Here, I've got labels and tickets. We could put a ticket on there. The Earl Theater. Put a ticket on there, put a label on there. It's a blue one. I'm going to use a red one. Kind of like the red ones. I could just stamp on it. What do I have? This specimen stamp on my stamp block. I don't know where my stamp sheet went. Here's a piece of scrap. Let's do brown. Try and get this number. Ta-da! Oh, lovely. Love it. Love it. Came out perfect. Stamp that off. Let's see. All right. I might cover up the upside down Liverpool, huh? Since we messed that up and did it all upside down. We'll put a ticket and a label and then like a bit of trim along the top and it should be good. We'll call it good. A little ephemera holder, cute little ephemera holder. Right, maybe we'll put it like a butterfly. I have this big one. Oh, he's giant. I have this pretty yellow one. The orange one. I have this one. I kind of like the orange one. We have this orange one. Maybe we should go more red. Yes, I like the red. Let's do that. This one is a sticker. This was cut out of the sticker and it was like the butterfly and bee sticker book. That like popular one, the antique one or whatever that you can get on Amazon. I like to fussy cut the stickers out of there. There we go. Cute little guy. We'll use our gel pen that was sent to us by Turtle, my nice gel pen, and I'll put some little antenna on him. Oh, he's so cute. Ta-da! Our little ephemera holder using envelopes. I can go through, it's dry enough at least, and ink up just a little bit, come through and get the edges, right? Just not even being careful. I'm just kind of just stress them up. Right, lovely. That looks great. And then, yes, we have an ephemeral holder. Cute little ephemeral holder we can stick things in. Quite a bit of pages. Let's see. Should be 6, I think. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pages. An ephemeral holder. Fun. Great, great little project. They are also thin enough to fit in a journal if you don't stick too many things in it. But yeah, there we go. An envelope project. I had a lot of fun. I will be back soon and we will make more ephemera for the Rustic Romance Journal. Anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day and I will talk to you later. Bye.